The inaugural ceremony of the Waves. How would you react on the ceremony and the whole event Waves for 4 days in Mumbai?
I think it's wonderful that everyone has come together, the entire industry, globally the entire entertainment industry, the audiovisual and entertainment industries, they've come together to create this platform for people to be able to connect. And I think it's wonderful that our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji was here to inaugurate what's going to happen in the next 4 days.
वेव्स समिट की शुरुआत हो गई है, पीएम खुद इसमें मौजूद थे, आप खुद मौजूद थे, कैसा लगा आपको वेव्स की समिट की शुरुआत हुई है?
अद्भुत और इतना फैंटास्टिक विजन है हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब का। मैं ये कहूँगा कि इतना बड़ा इन्वेजन हो रहा है और आज यहाँ आकर we are really very touched and very honored and it was an experience और ये तो शुरुआत है और मुझे लग रहा है कि we are all going to we are really blessed कि इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म हिंदुस्तान में अब बहुत कमाल करेगा।
निवृत्त जी, क्या कहेंगे? वेव्स का इनॉग्रेशन हुआ है, पीएम खुद मौजूद थे और एक बहुत जुबिलेंट फंक्शन।
जी, बहुत ही शानदार फंक्शन था, बहुत अच्छा लगा। मोदी जी की इतनी इनकरेजिंग वर्ड्स और इतनी उनका विजनरी है वो कितने, और बहुत ही बढ़िया लगा कि इतने बड़े क्रिएटिव फोर्सेस हर स्टेट से लोग आए हुए हैं और बहुत ही एक उम्दा और बहुत ही एक बड़े लेवल की ये एक मूवमेंट में कहूँगी इसको है।
आने वाले 4 दिनों तक पूरी दुनिया भर के एंटरटेनमेंट जगत से जुड़े हुए लोग यहाँ पे रहेंगे, तो कितनी उम्मीद करती हैं अपनी इंडस्ट्री के लिए और ओवरऑल कंट्री के एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री के लिए?
आई थिंक इंडिया एक ग्लोबल पावर के तौर पर क्रिएटिवली अपने आप को इस्टेब्लिश कर रही है एंड दिस इज़ जस्ट अ वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म। सो आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ टाइम। बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक इनिशिएटिव्स लिए जाएंगे वेव्स के नीचे।
On Waves inaugural ceremony and the event overall for 4 days.
Yeah, it's phenomenal. It's a fantastic initiative, and we've had the encouragement of Prime Minister Modi ji. The entire government is backing it. The Maharashtra government is backing it, and it's a very good move to boost the entertainment industry, the music industry, the entire. The entertainment platform would get a big boost.
Some people in the speakers remember the Pahalgam victims also. How do you say that? Ji, some of the speakers remember the Pahalgam victims also and paid their tributes. So how do you?
Well, really appreciate it, and it was a good platform to talk about it because we've got people from all across the world. They should know how strongly we feel against what has happened there.
Yes, sir.
My name is Aki Avni. I'm an actor. I'm very happy to be here in this wonderful event. I think this is a wonderful victory on the industry of India that identified itself as a top industry, not comparing to any other industry, but an industry itself. So good luck with that.
Sir, today Wave Summit is inaugurated by Prime Minister himself and you were part of the inaugural ceremony. How do you see this whole organization for 4 days and today's inaugural ceremony specifically?
In one word, it showed the power of India, the power of the industry, the power of and the quality of the actor and the actress, the power of the government, and the power of Maharashtra. And along with me today, we have 4 Israeli delegates from Israel. Actor Aki Avni, very well known in Israel, and I'm very happy to come along with the delegation here to Mumbai and to be here in the Waves, which is really amazing.
Some of the speakers remembered the Pahalgam victims also and paid their tributes. So, do you think India's resolve towards Pahalgam is?
In my point of view, this is the victory against terror activities. When you have such a huge event and you mention and remember them, this is a victory of India against all these terrorists. And I think that was very important to give them a respect. Everybody spoke about it, and I think that that's the way to win terrorism.